Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot for beginners. First, log into your account and familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. You'll see different hubs like marketing, sales, and service. Begin by setting up your company profile under Settings, ensuring all your basic business information is accurate. This foundational step is crucial for personalizing your HubSpot experience and ensuring your team has consistent data. Next, let's dive into managing your contacts. Go to the Contacts section and click Create Contact to add new individuals or companies. Fill in relevant details, utilizing various contact properties to categorize them. These properties are key for segmentation, allowing you to group contacts based on specific criteria. Remember to create custom views to quickly access different segments of your audience, making your workflow much smoother. Now, let's explore some essential marketing features. Head over to the Marketing tab to create your first email campaign. You can design engaging emails and send them to your segmented contact lists. Also, try building a simple landing page to capture new leads. It's a powerful tool for gathering information. Always check the basic analytics after your campaigns to see what's working and what needs improvement. Finally, let's touch on sales and service. In the Sales Hub, you can track deals through your pipeline, moving them from prospect to closed one. For customer service, set up a simple ticketing system to manage inquiries efficiently. HubSpot offers so much more, but these steps provide a solid foundation. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals to streamline your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.